Hello everyone, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and I'm going to show you guys how to pair your Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones to your iPhone or your Samsung device. What you're going to do first is you're going to locate the power button. Once you locate the power button, you're going to go ahead and hold the power button until the machine in your ears tells you that you're in pairing mode. So the power button's located on the bottom of the left-hand side here. You have your customize button, you have your power button here on the left side. So you're going to go ahead and locate your left-hand side power button. You're going to hold it. And once you hold it, the machine just said power on, and then I'm waiting, and now it says Bluetooth pairing. So now that I'm Bluetooth pairing mode, you're gonna see on my phone here that the WH-1000XM4 Sonys are on my list. So all I gotta do is simply click on that. Once I click on it, it's gonna connect it. Once it connects it, you can start rocking on music. Super simple, very easy. Same process for your Samsung phone or your Nokia or maybe your BlackBerry. Anything that you have, it's gonna be the same process. All right, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short Sony pairing video. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. And if you guys wanna support us, feel free to check out our website, joesge.com, where we sell refurbished electronics. Thank you so much. Have a great day.